You made this.
Let's show you an up close and personal. Let go.
Yeah, this shirt, it's a little big. It's a little big. It run a little big, but I'm gonna try to make it work. You know what I'm saying? Metallica. Check out the back. Got the back. Fashion Nova. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Next shoe you're looking at is the Jordan 13 He Got Game.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
We got the Flu Game 12s.
Ah, yawn, yawn, yawn. I got all the breads. Don't play with me. I got all the breads in my Jeezy voice.
And move on.
Yep, we got all the breads.
I got all the breads. That's what y'all need to know.
I got all the breads. That's what y'all need to know. That's what y'all need to know. Man, get out of here. Sit your butt down. You ain't the only one getting all the breads or getting all the waves or getting all the outfits. Just sit your butt down. Brush your hair.
I am appalled. LSP Wavy, don't you come in here with your link either. I'm tired of you. I'm about tired of you clout chasing. Get up out of here. Let me see if I can delete that comment. Delete. This to my brush. Now you're going to do this and try to steal my method and try to call it the 2.0 and try to say it's something else. We're not doing that.
Y'all to subscribe to the channel so y'all can stay tuned and y'all can get all this information. Every time I come up with something new, I'm going to give it to you. Alright? You got to hit the subscribe button. You got to hit the like button. I need the comments. I need y'all to run the video up, run the views up. If it helped you, if you're going to try it, let me know in the comments. If you're not going to try it, let me know in the comments. If you think this trick, this tip is dumb as hell, let me know in the comments, man. Give me some feedback on what y'all think. You know, give me a name for this method of sign. I don't want to call it the Flawless Connection 2.0. They be like, oh, y'all, you copying off of Jeezy. And look, man, Jeezy put the pomade in and he brushed it in different directions. Here.
No, sir! No, sir! I did not put the pomade in and brush it in different directions. I brushed it in different directions to show you you could either go this way or you could either bring it that way. But do both to try to figure out which way lines up better. Now don't start trying to deter people and try to switch it up and act like I ain't do it. Now, I can't believe this.
Connection 2.0. They be like, oh, y'all, you copying off of Jeezy.
You copying off of Jeezy.
Give me a name for this.
I can't believe this.
You know, Flawless Connection 2.0. They be like, oh, y'all, you copying off of Jeezy. And look, man, Jeezy put the pomade in and he brushed it in different directions here and there. I ain't never seen him comb backwards, throw the pomade.
I ain't never seen him comb backwards. I ain't never seen him comb backwards. Bro, get what? You don't got to do that.
Now, let me give you a little bit of history behind this video, okay? I know we halfway through the video, and y'all like, what's going on here? Is it beef between them two? Why is he talking about LSP Wavy like that? Jeezy's mad because of the review that I did on his brush, okay? I call his brush chunky as hell. I said this is a chunky ass brush, however I phrased it. I don't quite remember. All right, this is one chunky ass brush. This is one chunky ass brush.
This is one chunky ass brush.
But he felt a certain type of way, okay? He felt a certain type of way. He addressed it on several lives. And then when I did this, little halfway flawless connection method, I guess 2.0-ish, he really got in his feelings. And he addressed it again with the antics that you seen in that last video. Okay, he went live on the Facebook page. I believe he still got it up if you want to see the whole live. But that's where we at right now. So is it beef between me and Jeezy? I don't know. You seen all the little snippets at the beginning of the video. You know what I'm saying? He copying my videos over the years, shoes and clothes and stuff like that. I didn't say nothing. I just wanted to prove to y'all what's been going on out here. Okay? Yeah, he cut hair. He nice. He good. But he ain't the only one with the shoes, the fashion, or the waves. I just want to be clear here. Okay? Anything Jeezy can do, I can do as well. Okay, let's get out of here. Now, at this point, I'm just going to let the brushwork speak for it. You know what I'm saying? Out of it, all the copying, all the back and forth, all the bickering, all the lives, we not finna do this. We're going to end up having to have a hair battle, a wave battle. Yes, people still battle with waves. For the people who watching this video and don't really know what's going on, yes, we're going to have to battle. He got to see me. Okay, so I'm brushing overtime. Me with myself with me. I'm brushing all day. Hard work, consistency, dedication, all that good stuff. I'm getting it in. So I hope he brushing. Okay, watch this video, Jeezy, and brush at the same time. Okay.